What's up everybody, it's Sean here, and listen, the year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is absolutely exploding, the global economy is more digital than ever, and there are more ways than ever to build a real, sustainable income online. But the problem is, there's also more noise than ever before. With so many supposed gurus and easy money schemes, it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. So today, I'm cutting through the BS and giving you 7 proven methods to make money online in 2025. And the best part is, they actually work. We're talking about strategies like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, freelancing with AI, print on demand, YouTube automation, UGC, and building your personal brand. Now, you've probably heard of affiliate marketing before, right? It's basically where you partner with a brand, you recommend their product or service, and you earn a commission on every sale you drive. What's changed is that the platforms have evolved. It's not just about Amazon associates anymore. Think outside the box niche communities, online forums, even TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for affiliate marketing if you know how to work them. And that's what I'm going to show you. First up, you need to pick the right products to promote. Don't just go for anything with a high commission rate. Focus on products you genuinely believe in, something that adds value to your audience. Next, you need to build trust. People buy from people, so focus on creating high-quality content that educates and informs. And finally, it's about optimization. Track your results, see what's working, and double down on it. Listen, the digital product space is booming. Ebooks, online courses, templates, software, you name it, there's an audience for it. And the best part, you can create these products once and sell them over and over again. It starts with identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others would pay for? Once you've got your niche, it's time to create a high-quality product that provides real value. Don't just throw something together and expect it to sell. Take your time, do your research, and create something you're proud of. Now, it's time to sell. Build a simple website, leverage social media and email marketing to get the word out, and never underestimate the power of good customer service. AI is here to stay, guys. And no, it's not going to steal your job, it's going to make your job easier. In the world of freelancing, AI tools can help you write better content, create stunning graphics, and even automate tedious tasks. And that means you can take on more clients, work fewer hours, and boost your income. Take writing, for example. AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you overcome writer's block, generate content ideas, and even write entire articles. Or how about graphic design? Canva now has built-in AI features that make it easier than ever to create professional-looking graphics, even if you have zero design experience. The key is to embrace these tools and learn how to use them to your advantage. Chapter 4. Print on demand. Design, sell, profit. No inventory needed. Ever wanted to launch your own clothing line? How about selling custom mugs or phone cases? With print on demand, you can do all of that and more, without ever having to hold any inventory. Platforms like Printful and Printify allow you to upload your designs, connect your online store, and start selling. They handle everything from printing to shipping so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome products. The key to success here is to find a niche, create unique designs that people will love, and market your products effectively. Think about it. What are people passionate about? Where do they spend their time online? Once you understand your target audience, you can create products that resonate with them. Chapter 5. YouTube Automation, the lazy person's guide to passive income. Look, I love making videos, you guys know that. But what if I told you that you could create a YouTube channel that generates passive income, even while you sleep? That's the power of automation. Now, I'm not talking about uploading some low-effort garbage and hoping for the best. You still need to create high-quality, engaging content, but with a little bit of planning, you can automate the entire process. Start by creating a series of evergreen videos. These are videos that will be relevant for years to come, like tutorials, how-to guides, or top 10 lists. Then, use a tool like TubeBuddy to optimize your videos for search and schedule them to upload automatically. You can even outsource the editing process to freelancers, freeing up even more of your time. Chapter 6. Get paid to post your guide to UGC for brands. Brands are always looking for authentic content, and that's where you come in. UGC, or user-generated content, is one of the most powerful marketing tools available today. Think about it. Would you rather buy a product based on a polished ad or a genuine review from someone like you? Exactly. The good news is, you don't need millions of followers to get started. Focus on creating high-quality content that showcases your personality and your love for the brands you use every day. Reach out to brands directly and pitch your ideas. You'd be surprised how many companies are willing to pay for authentic content. Chapter 7. Build your personal brand. Stand out in a crowded online world. In the digital age, your personal brand is your currency. It's about building a strong online presence that showcases your skills, your experience, and your unique value proposition. The first step is to define your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you want to be known for? Once you know your niche, it's time to start creating valuable content that attracts your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, social media updates, or even a podcast. The key is to be consistent and provide value with every piece of content you create. And don't be afraid to network. Connect with other creators in your industry, attend online events, and build relationships. Outrow 7 ways to make money online in 2025. So there you have it, guys. 7 proven methods to make money online in 2025. The best part is, you can choose the methods that resonate with you and your goals. Whether you're passionate about creating content, building a brand, or leveraging the power of AI, there's a path for you. But here's the thing, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So what are you waiting for? Choose your path and start building your online empire today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you in the next one.